Head of the Area 3 Police, Assistant Commissioner Christopher Phillips, is sending a clear message to criminals to surrender themselves peacefully. ACP Phillips made the assertion following a tour recently where he expressed confidence that the area is positioned to achieve more improvements. Carrie-Ann Simpson has the details.
With its high crime clear-up rate across the division last year, newly appointed Commander of Area 3, Assistant Commissioner of Police Christopher Phillips says the area is well positioned to achieve even more in the coming months. Speaking in an interview with TVJ News, ACP Phillips described last year's results as a clear indication that serious work has been done in Area 3.
When we look on Manchester, with 35 murders last year, and they were able to clear 28 of those murders, a clear-up rate of 80%. And St. Elizabeth with 18 murders last year and cleared 15, with a clear-up rate of 83%. And Clarendon ended the year with 41 murders, with 42 cleared, 102% clear-up, the area having 90% clear-up. Signals to me that serious work has been going on.
Under his leadership, Area 5 saw significant improvements, with murders decreasing by 34% and shooting by 19%. ACP Phillips says the criminal network differs in Area 3 and it is not without its own challenges. However, he is anticipating significant gains. In the meantime, a warning to criminal elements across the division to peacefully surrender themselves.
I'm not going to sit here and allow criminals to take over the communities in Area 3. We're going to be coming at these persons in a very serious way.
Carrie-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.